Hello, Sam.
Hello.
Where are we today?
We are in York.
And what have we got ourselves booked in today?
So we're gonna we're gonna do the York dungeons.
You know, dungeons. First time you've been for a very long while, hasn't it?
Yeah, quite a while actually.
Yeah, I've been before, but that was donkeys ago, wasn't it? Really donkeys ago. On horsing. But we've got ourselves booked in today, aren't we? At 12:40. So this is just your vlog. All eyes on you today, isn't it? You're gonna see how you think about it in today's thing. She's gonna give her honest review, see what the York Dungeons is like. We've got ourselves booked in at 12:40, so we've got a couple of minutes spare, but look forward to it.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to seeing what's changed and stuff since last time.
Yeah, there's a few stuff that has changed over years now, and they've not long just celebrated the 40 years, haven't they? A few days ago.
Yeah, with the anniversary.
Yeah. So yeah, the York Dungeon's over there, right over there. I've been pointing. It's all eyes are on Sam. It's Sam's vlog today, not me, because a lot of people's been complaining why it's always me in the vlog, but it's her turn to show the ropes today. But yeah, she's going to give you her opinion now about the York Dungeons. We're just going to try and cross over without getting run over at the same time. Time a bit. But definitely excited, are you? What are you expecting
I don't know.
after their 4 years of celebrations?
I think they'll definitely up it, I think, compared to last time.
Compared to last time?
Yeah. I remember last time I walked on to your ad video, like, last time.
That was a good 10 years ago, that was. Last time you went. But yeah, we're gonna get ourselves checked in, aren't we? Yeah. Got anything else to say?
That's it, really. We'll go in and we'll give our review afterwards, because I don't think you can record in this.
No, we can't record, unfortunately, so we can't take you long, but we'll soon find out, can't we? Yeah. Now, Sam, we're finished now, aren't we?
Yeah, we've just come out.
Take it away, what are you thinking?
Yeah, I actually really enjoyed that. I think that since last time we were here, I think that the actors have like really upped the game. But yeah, I thought there was some stuff I don't remember from last time, so they've added some new little bits. But yeah, I thought that it was quite good. Like there was some actually jump scares in there as well, which I don't remember.
Yeah, you got jumped a few times, didn't you?
Yeah, and we got picked on.
Yeah, we've got like what was it? We've got some little photos as well. You know, to say, and a little she didn't want to leave that one behind because apparently it goes well with a bag in that. But what do you think all in all then?
I actually really enjoyed it. Like if you're in the area, I'd definitely recommend it. And I think that they have changed stuff. They probably added like new scenes and stuff for the 40th anniversary. And yeah, Merlin Platinum Pass, you do get a 10% discount. And yeah, just if you're in York, it's a good thing for like anyone, like families, like anyone of all ages and stuff like that. But yeah, I think that's it for today's quick vlog to York. And yeah, I'll end it there. I don't really know how to end it, but
we'll see you in the next vlog, guys. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and see us more adventures, because we've got more to come. And come to the end. Bye.